Hello everyone, in the previous lessons we learned about the title slide and the introduction slide, and I told you how should you speak on this slide. But today we are going to create our first slide, history of evolution of AI. How we are going to create that? We are just easily copy that text and we are going to compile it, and we are just using AI to creating the presentation without searching and researching. And it's very important to learn and know how to ask AI questions to give you the best answers and the answers you want. Okay, we paste the text here. Please give me 3 topics, and for each a paragraph about this title and a picture. It's going to think. We are just gonna wait a little for the program. Okay, the history of AI evolution. Let's see which 3 topics it's going to give us. AI healthcare. You see, the topics are not the one we want. What we say, I want the topics that go under history of AI. You see, it's giving us the history. Can you draw a picture about this topic too? We wait a little for it to create the picture for us. It's really important. In the past it created 3 pictures, but now it's just going for 1 by 1. I don't know why, but let's wait for it to create. Okay, it's not a bad one. We go here, we insert a new blank slice and go to background and set the background to solid fill, and we are going with white or black. The white is better for now. Just copy that picture and paste it here. I copied it in a bad way. Let's download it first and then copy the picture and paste it. Okay, we paste the picture here and we paste the 3 topics here. How? We paste it here, we increase it in size. You can change the place if you want. I like this better. History of evolution of AI. And then after creating this, you need to give something to the picture that it's not going so in your background. How? We are going to set background to the color of this background, you see, and then we are going to create a shape here. Three shapes here. 1, 2, 3. And in each shape, I'm going to paste another shape like this. 1, 2, 3. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all the shapes and set the fill to none. Then I'm just going to zoom in to make them align. Okay, the pictures has been made, the shapes, but before that you think somehow this shape is gone and not visible. For that I'm going to just create another shape and send it to back and give it a black and give it a white texture. Sorry, I do the right thing. Let me just select the shape and give it a black background, and then give it a white fill. But it's not important, it's better we don't have the shape. I don't really like the shape here because I think it's not going well with our community. Okay, we just create this text and we just bold it for better seeing, and I'm just going to reduce its size and increase it in size and just a little reduce it. Okay, it's good. And after that I'm going to change these colors. How I'm going to give this shape this color and this shape this color, this shape this color, and this shape this color. I'm going to make a little contrast for better seeing the shapes, and then I'm going to type the numbers here, select them all, go to this format. This always look great for numbers, and then I'm going to change the font to something a little more beautiful, and then I'm just going to copy the topics, and then the last topic, select all of them, make them bigger in size. See, we have the problem. What is the problem? The problem is that this shape, we must a little. Okay, now the problem has been solved and we create our shape, but now we are just going to give it some transition for better seeing the shapes. What I'm going to do, let me just copy that, and let me just copy that text and put it here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change the background to solid fill, and then after doing that I'm going to reduce this like this. Okay, bring them out, and then in one slide bring them in. But I'm going to give it some profile, something for it to look more beautiful. And how? By selecting this and making some distance, a great effect can be created. And how? We set the transition to morph and here to push, but push from right. Okay, let's see what happened to our presentation. We know what we do in the previous lessons. They are all in the previous lessons, but the transition from today's lesson is something like this. You see it? It's really great and amazing to watch. In the next lesson, I'm going to tell you what we are going to say in this slide. But until the next lesson, don't forget to ask me if you have any question in the comment section. I will answer. And please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.